Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have a great opportunity from Google. It's an internship opportunities, and you know that if you get into as an intern in Google, then you have a higher chance to get converted it as a full-time employee as well. So it's a bright opportunity, and the deadline is pretty soon, that is before 10th of December, so it's almost today. So you should apply it before that. We got to know it little late, but it's fine. You can still apply it now and try apply to it and share this video among whoever can apply to that. Okay, so let's see in detail which is the eligibility criteria, how can you apply everything. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding all kind of videos we upload. So once we upload certain kind of videos like this hiring, it is very important that you should get it the right time so that you can apply it without missing them. Okay, so let's move on. So it's a software student trainee engineering program. It's an internship opportunity, and the location available is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Hyderabad. It's here. And they have mentioned you need to apply before 10th of December. So soon after you watch this video, just apply it and share with all the pay members around you who can apply to this. Okay, so about this job and qualification, everything, let's have a look at that. So minimum qualifications is currently in second year of study, enrolled in bachelor's program, majoring or intending to major in computer science or related technical fields. Okay, experience is one or more general purpose programming languages. Now the preferred qualifications will be currently enrolled in a full-time degree program and returning to the program after the completion of the internship, excellent programming skills, C++, Java, and Python, ability to complete a full-time 10 to 12 week internship between May and August, except program stage will be provided at the later point of the process. And about the job, you can see these are the software project, that is a development project that you will work on with a team of Googlers and other step interns. Skill-based training, enhance your coding skills and gain exposure to a new tools and programming languages. Professional development, then mentorship will be there. Be matched with a Google engineer other than your manager to guide you through your summer experience. Then fun, engagement in social activities, community building and networking, build relationship with your peers, exposure, gain a unique glimpse into applying to a computer science and professional. So like when we go to all these points now, what is clear is you'll be getting exposure to everything, your personal development, your career development, everything will be provided by them. Everything will be aided by them. Okay, now our summer internship starts around May to June of 2022, and it's a 10 to 12 weeks program. So here, this is about the details. So now to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button. So here you need to complete your registration process. So the application is still live. So we can upload your resume with mentioning all the things that you have in with yourself, and your contact details, we can provide that. Then add preferred name details, everything, higher education details, then work experience. It's for no, because they have mentioned it for the graduates, so that. And after that, preferred location, if cover letter, it's optional, or else you can think. Okay. Then after that, next you need to proceed for the next and apply to the same. Okay, so this is about the software student internship, training internship program, the step. So we have another one too, that is the research intern for PhD. So that is also similar. I mean, this is for PhD people, and Bangalore is a location. So if you have anyone doing PhD in this field, please share this video among them as well. So minimum qualifications will be currently enrolled in a PhD degree in computer science or related technical fields, experience in natural language understanding, neural networks, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning algorithms, foundation of optimization, data science, data mining, or machine intelligence and artificial intelligence, experience with one or more general purpose programming, experience with research communities or efforts. Then yeah, that's it. Now preferred qualifications will be available to work full-time for a minimum of 13 weeks. So it's a 13 weeks full-time internship program, and after that there's a high chance you get converted to full-time employee. So that's a great opportunity that you can get it from here. Now returning to your degree after completing the internship, relevant work experience including internship, full-time industry experience, or as a researcher in a lab, ability to design and execute on research certain attempt. Okay, so this is the preferred qualification, and you can just go through here and see about all the details that they have mentioned. And it in here they haven't mentioned about a particular date. I mean, the deadline, so you can try applying to that at the soonest, okay, early as possible, because they especially they don't put the like the gap for a long time. For only short time they'll be making it available, you need to apply to this, they won't keep it for a long time. Okay, so it's very important you apply it at the earliest. So the application form for this is also pretty much same. So apply, give all your details, upload your resume, cover letter if you have, you can give that as well and submit to it. Okay, so this is about the openings available in Google. And don't ever think that Google, like a company like Google, to hire the normal students, the average students. Of course, yes, there are a lot many students in Google, Microsoft, and top ruling companies who are average students. Okay, all you need is the willingness to get into there, and you need to try for that. That's all needed. Your graduation, everything will step back. Okay, so students, if you get it or not, just apply it. We don't know the when the luck will do fall and when will your hard work will be getting paid off. So apply and keep. There is no harm in applying, there is no pain in applying. So apply it and keep, and just see what will happen next, and share this video among all the eligible students so that they can also make use of this opportunity. So try apply today itself. We are so sorry for that, we got to know it a little late, but we'll make sure from now to bring this as soon as possible. Okay, not to be in this last moment. Okay, so accept my apologies for that. So everyone, please do apply it at the earliest and share this with all the people who are eligible. Once again, I'm repeating over and over, repeating the same. Just apply it at the earliest. Okay, so if you have any concern, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.